Since I last reviewed them, the SoundPEATS Pearl Clip Pros have been my go-to mic for on-the-go listening. I was so impressed by their sound that it not only dethroned my JBL Endurance Race TWS, but it also took over my Razer Anzu as my obstruction-free music listening device. It's just that good. But now, SoundPEATS has this. These are the Clip1s, and they say that it promises an even better music listening experience over the Pearl Clip Pros because of one thing. They brought the bass back to these clip-on earbuds. Let's explore them right now. Like the Pearl Clip Pros, the Clip1 comes in a classy white box. Loving the styling already. Black and gold buds right at the front with Dolby audio, high-res wireless audio, and LDAC support proudly advertised. There are a few more details printed around the box, but we'll get to those later. Upon opening up the box, we don't head straight into the buds. First, we check out the documents tucked under the top cover. Here we get the user guide, a reminder to use the Peats Audio app available on both iOS and Android, and a sticker pack, just like the Pearl Clip Pros. And you guys know me, I love stickers. Putting those aside, we head into the main compartment. The Clip1 is wrapped in a wax paper loop and set into a plastic mold to protect it from bumps during shipping. Underneath, we get a basic USB-A to USB-C cable to charge the 450 mAh case battery, which in turn charges the 45 mAh batteries in each bud. That's everything in the box. Time to check out the Clip1 itself. But before we continue with the video, let's keep the lights on here in the studio. This video was brought to you by Sneak Attack Design Lab. They're a clothing company that specializes in technical fashion, more commonly known as techwear, and you can see me in their clothes in most of my videos. I've been supporting their brand ever since I met them back in 2019, and now they're returning the favor. Head on over to the link in the description to get 10% off of your order from their site. Check their clothes out. You're bound to see something badass over there that'll look great on you. Thank you very much to Sneak Attack for this exclusive promo for my viewers. Now, back to the video. So this is the SoundPEATS Clip1. For reference, here are my Pearl Clip Pros right next to them. The Clip1 case is bigger, finished in a lighter shade of blue-gray with a shimmery paint job. Unlike the Pearl Clip Pros, it doesn't have the crumpled metal button at the front to check for battery life. Instead, the button is at the back with the LED indicator at the front. Honestly, I like that crumpled metal button. SoundPEATS, bring it back. On top, we get a gold SoundPEATS logo, which adds a premium touch. Opening the case reveals the Clip1 buds sitting in their charging cradles. And wow, don't they look premium? They're light too. Each bud weighs only about 5 grams, so they won't feel very heavy on the ears. Taking a closer look, we see the split-on clip design again, but this time it's noticeably different from the Pearl Clip Pros. The speaker side is rounder with a bigger grille to house the upgraded 12mm dual magnetic drivers. SoundPEATS also reworked the wire. Inside the skin-friendly silicone coating is a 0.6mm N-Flex arch memory wire that won't put undue pressure in your ears. At the other end, the body of the Clip1 sits behind your ear. This section houses the touch controls, the ear hook, and the mic module. We can also see the pogo pads here for charging. And that's everything for the product tour. Time to check out the software. If you're into the product I'm featuring in this video, I've tagged it in the YouTube shopping section down below so you can check it out directly. Or if you're looking for discount codes, head to the Linktree shop in the description. Filipino viewers will find a group of links to Shopee, and global viewers will find a group of links to Amazon. Just a heads up, these are affiliate links, so any earnings go straight into supporting the channel and helping me make more content like this. Thanks for being here. Like the Pearl Clip Pros, the Clip1 is controlled by the Peats Audio app. Opening the app, it immediately recognizes the Clip1 and presents all the options for tweaking the sound. First, we have the toggle for Dolby audio, and in my experience, it's best to keep this on. It greatly improves the sound quality of clip-on buds. Next, there's dual device connection, meaning you can connect 2 sources at once. The Clip1 will prioritize whichever device is currently playing audio, so you can listen to music on your laptop, then seamlessly switch to your phone when a call comes in. We also get in-ear detection, which pauses playback when you take the Clip1 off. Then there's custom key mapping, letting you remap tap controls. Other toggles include LDAC, touch disable, game mode, and dynamic EQ. On the second tab, we have equalizer settings, and by default, it's on adaptive EQ, which SoundPEATS claims challenges the stereotype that open earbuds have weak bass. The app runs a frequency test to tailor the EQ to your hearing. Apart from that, there are 10 EQ presets, plus a custom EQ option with a 10-band parametric equalizer. Honestly, this is amazing. Easily the best feature of the app. The final tab is for account settings, app settings, and FAQs. And that's it. That's the software. It's time to test these buds out. Like with the Pearl Clip Pros, I'm testing these using my patent-pending high-tech listening device. For comparison, I'll put them up against the ROG Setra TWS and, of course, the Pearl Clip Pros. Alright, SoundPEATS, what the hell was that? The Clip1 sounds proper amazing. You weren't lying when you said that you wanted to bring bass to clip-on earbuds. The difference in bass response between the Pearl Clip Pros and the Clip1 is night and day. You, watching or listening to this video, if you get the Pearl Clip1s, do yourself a favor and listen to Atomic Tom's Someone to Love on these. They sound absolutely lovely. And this is how the mic sounds. Comfort is almost identical to the Pearl Clip Pros. They weigh almost nothing on the ear, they grip snugly but not tightly, and they're not gonna fall off even if I headbang on these. Even with the larger touch module at the back, which kind of like puts off the weight balance a little bit, it's still gonna be secure on your ear. And of course, the reason why I love clip-ons like these, they keep my ears clear of any obstruction. I can maintain situational awareness. I can wear glasses like this, even though I don't have to. I just wear these for the speakers. Anyways, I can wear shades. I can wear any kind of headgear that doesn't like fully cover my ears. It's really good. That's the reason why I love my Razer Anzu, and the Clip1 just continues that tradition. So, what do we think about the SoundPEATS Clip1? At $70 or around 4,100 Philippine pesos estimated, this is fantastic value for clip-on earbuds. It clearly understands the segment's weakness, the lack of bass, and does its best to fix it. No, it's not earth-shattering bass like in-ears, but it sleeps and bounds better than the bass-anemic clip-ons of old. Couple that with the premium build quality and the powerful Peats audio software, and you've got a complete package. You don't need to look past this for your next pair of clip-ons. It's fully recommended. Amazing job again, SoundPEATS. If you like the SoundPEATS Clip1 and want to get one for yourself, please head on down to the description as I've put some affiliate links there. Each purchase directly supports the channel and helps ensure that more content like this gets made. While you're there, give this video a like, comment if you have any questions, and of course subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.